Good morning, day 39 on the CDT. Getting ready to pack up here. Got my coffee, filtering some water back there for the day. Looks like a beautiful day. Some clouds, maybe hopefully keep it cooler a little bit. And yeah, I'm about a quarter mile from rejoining back up with the official CDT, so that'll be nice. And then yeah, no real goal in mind. Just want to make it. I got 12 miles to my first water source, and then it looks like there's plentiful water after that, so that'll be nice. And definitely feeling a little bit better today. We'll see how it feels once I get the pack on and start walking uphill, but slept really good last night. Got a good night's sleep, and hopefully enjoy a little bit of this sunrise, and we'll hit the trail. Just stopped and rain geared up. I'm heading up into some nasty stuff. I don't know if it's a pass, but I'm going up in this little saddle area that's up over 10,000 feet. So it'll probably be even nasty out there. It's been really cold and windy today, so I don't want to be cold and wet and get hypothermia. So got my stuff on, and I got 5 miles to the top, and then after that it should be downhill the rest of the day, mostly anyway. Started raining full on sideways, and I didn't even know this was coming up, but there's like a pit toilet with trash cans and a little parking lot here. Pit toilet's locked apparently, but I got a little shelter here from the rain, so I'm eating lunch real quick, and then I guess I'll just keep going. It's really actually cold and windy, so I don't really want to be out there, but it doesn't look like it's stopping anytime soon, so I don't want to end up sitting here for hours. But gonna eat and see what I'm feeling after that, I guess. Well, I'm running out of options. My space to sit is running. My bag's about to get wet. It is getting wet. So I either need to move on or set up my tent and hunker down, and I don't know if I want to do that. It's only like 1 in the afternoon. But I have no idea if it's going to rain the rest of the day. I don't know if it's going to do, I have no idea what it's doing. So I think I'm just going to keep moving and hope my rain gear doesn't soak through. Obviously, I don't have the finest of rain gear, but we'll see what happens. And if it gets too bad, I'll just have to set up the tent real quick and go from there. It's definitely cold. I can see my breath. I have no idea what the temperature is, but it's cold to me. Starting to rain on me a little bit. I've been running from these thunderstorms all day, and my luck might be running out, but I really need to make it down to this creek in a couple miles so I have water for the night. I've only got like a half liter left, and then that would be a good day, somewhere around 25 miles. But I'm hoping to get there before this rain catches up to me so I don't have to set up in the rain. But good day. Afternoon was kind of gloomy and pretty uneventful, but this morning was just absolutely amazing. And yeah, hopefully find a good spot down by this water. In the tent, the dry zone, trying to air out as much as I can. Everything got pretty moist today. Got rained on pretty good, but I made it to the creek that I wanted to. That will be a nice sound to sleep to tonight. But yeah, awesome day. Had some beautiful wildflowers this morning, took lots of pictures, and then got rained on, hit that pit toilet just in time. I had been getting rained on and the wind was really whipping, and actually had a couple scary situations where I was hearing dead trees fall. I had some fresh ones right on the trail, and then I actually saw a couple fall, so definitely a couple scary moments. But yeah, that pit toilet came right at the right moment. That was like the worst of the storm while I was there eating lunch. And then yeah, the rest of the day was just kind of chill and just wanted to get to camp and dry out. So good day, but just gonna chill, make some dinner, and do it all again tomorrow.